Good day everyone, I am Maria Juvi Pamikala, and for today's video is I am going to continue the topic, which is the median. So what is median? The median is the middle value in distribution when the values are arranged in ascending or descending order. The median divides a distribution exactly in half so that 50% of the score are at or below the median and 50% of the scores are at or above it. It is the middle value is the frequency distribution. When the number of data points is an odd number, the middle score is median. For example, given 13 score, the 7th score would be the median. When the number of data points is even, like 14, then the median is equal to the sum of the two middle scores in a frequency distribution divided by 2. Consider the following scores collected from the unit exam worth 50 points in a class of 15 students. Illustration 11, ordered array of unit exam scores or the odd number of the scores. Whenever dealing with an odd number, the median is the middle number. So in the illustration 11, the total number of students' scores is 15, an odd number. The midpoint of the 15 is the 8th score because there are 7 scores above it and 7 scores below it. The teacher then counts down or up to 8 score to determine the midpoint or median. In the case of illustration 11, the median is 29. Note that for this data set, 29 is also a mood. What if this teacher had a class with an event number of students? How would the median be calculated? Illustration 12 provides an example of how to determine the median in an even number class. Let's assume the class size is 6 and they have just completed an exam worth 50 points. The following illustration displays their scores. To determine the median of an even number of scores, we begin by adding the two middle numbers and dividing by 2. In this case, the numbers 12 and 19 are the middle numbers. Together, they total 31. The quotient of dividing 31 by 2 delivers a median of 15.5. Note that the median does not have to represent one of the listed scores. For a teacher using an ordered array of test scores, the median locates the middle or center grade. On a display of a normal curve, the median is exactly the midpoint of the data distribution and is located in the exact center of the graph. This is also the highest point of the curve. Would the median be affected by the skewed data distribution? Since the median represents the midpoint, skewed data would move the midpoint in the direction of the bulk of the scores. Illustration 13, median location with skewed data. We can see in the picture the negative skew and the positive skew. And in the blue line, which is the mood, and in the red line, which is the median. It is interesting to note that the skewed data moves the median off of the mood or the highest peak on the normal curve. In skewed data, the median moves toward the direction of the skew or tail. For a positively skewed data distribution, the median moves to the right of the mood, or negatively skewed data to the left. The movement of the median to the right or left of the mood indicates that a larger than normal number of scores are located in the area.